Good morning, class 5 students. Welcome back to Maths online class. We discuss the chapter 1 large numbers, in which at first we deal the topic before and after. You know what is a number before? Before a number we get by subtracting 1 from the number. Is it? So, one example we can do. Write the number before 34,63,482. Then we subtract 1. Then we get 34,63,481. Next question 1. Write the number before 1,23,45,010. To get the before number, we have to subtract 1. So you can see here, subtracted 1 from the given number and we got 1,23,45,009. 10 becomes 9. Okay. How do we get a number after a number? By adding 1 to it. You know, after 5, it is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. This condition can be applied for the large numbers also. For example, write the number after 96,82,545. Here we added 1. One question, write the number after 96,82,545. What we will do to get the number after? Add 1 to the given number. So by adding we got 96,82,546 is the number after the given number. Okay. As we move on to the next topic, I hope all of you got the points before and after. So let us know the next topic, international place value system. Most countries of the world follow a place value system, that is the international place value system. We found our Indian system of numeration in which the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, then crores. But in the international place value system, the numbers up to 5 digits are read in the same way, but after 5 digits there is a difference. So let us see what is the difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Okay. Children, I told you up to 5 digit number Indian system and international system are same. 10,000 is same. We can read 10,000 in the case of international system. Then the periods also same. But in the case of 6 digit number in Indian system is 1 lakh. From right, the period is after 3 digits, then 3 digits. But here 3, then 2, there is a period. And this number read as 100,000. Because in international system, after 10,000, there is a place 100,000. Okay, that we can see later. Then next 7 digit number in Indian system is 10 lakh. But in international system, it is read as 1 million. So 10 lakh is 1 million. How many lakhs are there in 1 million? 10. 10 lakh is 1 million. Indian system, we will say 10 lakh. The same number in international system, we can say 1 million. Okay. Next is 8 digit number. 8 digit number, you know, the smallest 8 digit number, 1 crore. 1 crore. The periods 3, 2, 2, then the remaining digits. System 1 crore. The periods are moving from 3 periods, 3 digits, then 2, then 2. But international system 3, 3, 3, etc. Indian system 3, 2, 2, etc. Clear? 1 crore. In international system it will be 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 lakh is 1 million. 10 lakh 1 million. Okay. 10 million 1 crore. Understood? So this relation you keep in your mind. 1 million, 10 lakh, 10 million, 1 crore. Okay. So let us see the place value chart in international system for numbers up to 8 digits. Okay. International system. I told you ones, tens, hundreds. But in the column of thousands, there is 3 columns. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Indian system, these 2 columns was only there, thousands and 10,000s. But one more thousands, 100,000s are in the case of international system. Then comes millions. It was in the case of Indian system, lakhs and crores. But here millions, then 10 millions. So this is the place value chart for international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. Okay. So one example here, we wrote the digits in this place value chart. Then how we can read this number? Here how many digits? Here 8 digits. 8 digits in the case of international system. It is started from 56 million. 56 million 310,000 and 529. Okay. 56 million 310,529. So, number name of this given number, 8-digit number. Okay. So, we can meet in the next session. But before, you have to practice these 8-digit numbers in Indian system and international system. You can do more problems. We will do more problems in the next class. Okay. We can meet in the live session, review test answers and study well. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.